Imagine a world where getting a loan is as easy as ordering a pizza. Welcome to Paysense, where that world is a reality. Paysense is your digital genie, offering instant loans at your fingertips with minimal documentation. It's a platform designed to make your life easier, providing a swift, hassle-free loan experience. In the time it takes to enjoy a cup of coffee, you can complete your application and have your loan request underway. No more endless paperwork or long waits at the bank. Paysense is about speed, convenience, and simplicity. Whether you're in need of funds for an urgent medical bill, a much-needed holiday, or to expand your small business, Paysense is your trusted partner, ready to assist when you need it the most. This is the power of technology meeting the convenience of modern finance, all wrapped up in one user-friendly app. So, are you ready to dive into the world of instant loans with Paysense? Let's start the process. First things first, like any other app, you need to register yourself on Paysense. Let's break down this process into simple, manageable steps. To start off, you'll need to download the Paysense app. You can easily find it on Google Play Store. Just type Paysense in the search bar and look for the app with the distinctive blue logo. Click on Install and wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the app is installed, tap on it to open. You'll be greeted with a welcoming screen, inviting you to begin your journey towards financial empowerment. But before we get to that, we need to set up your account. Click on the button that says Register or Sign Up. This will take you to the registration page. Now, you'll be asked to provide some personal information. This typically includes your full name, mobile number, and email address. Rest assured, Paysense values your privacy and your information will be handled with utmost security. After you've filled in all the details, click on Next. You'll then be asked to set up a password. Make sure it's something strong and secure, but also something you can remember. You don't want to be locked out of your account when you're on the brink of securing that instant loan, do you? Once you've entered your password, click on Next again. The final step of the registration process is the verification of your mobile number. You'll receive a one-time password on your mobile number. Enter this in the designated field and click Verify. And voila! You've successfully registered on Paysense. You now have a personal dashboard at your fingertips, ready to guide you through your loan application process. With the registration complete, you are now one step closer to your instant loan. Now that you're registered, it's time to check your eligibility for a loan. Eligibility is the first step before you dive into the world of instant loans with Paysense. This crucial process is designed to ensure that you are a suitable candidate to receive a loan. So how do we go about it? First, you'll need to enter your income details. This includes your monthly salary or income from other sources. Make sure to be honest and accurate because these details play a vital role in determining your loan amount. Next, you will need to provide your credit history. If you're wondering what that is, it's simply a record of your past borrowing and repayments. If you've taken a loan before and repaid it timely, it's likely you have a good credit history. But don't worry if you haven't taken a loan before. Paysense also considers those who are new to credit. Now, you might be wondering, what if my credit history isn't as sparkling as it should be? Well, fear not. Paysense uses a combination of factors to determine your eligibility, not just your credit history. So even if your past credit behavior has been less than perfect, you may still qualify for an instant loan. Once you've provided these details, the app will calculate your eligibility in real time. You'll see the maximum loan amount you can apply for, as well as the interest rates and tenure options available to you. Remember, this doesn't guarantee your loan approval, but it does give you a clear picture of what you can expect when you apply. Now, you're ready to apply for that instant loan. You've made it this far, and now it's time to apply for your instant loan. Now that you've checked your eligibility and registered on Paysense, let's dive into the actual application process. Applying for a loan with Paysense is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step 1 is deciding the loan amount. Paysense offers loans ranging from 5,000 to 5 lakh rupees. You need to select an amount that suits your needs. Remember, a larger loan does not necessarily mean it's better. Always consider your repayment ability when deciding the loan amount. Moving on to step 2, it's time to choose the loan term. The term of the loan is the duration over which you'll repay it. Paysense offers flexible loan terms ranging from 3 months to 60 months. The longer the term, the smaller your monthly payments will be, but you'll end up paying more in interest over the life of the loan. Conversely, a shorter term means larger monthly payments, but less interest paid overall. Choose a term that balances affordability with cost-effectiveness. Step 3 is all about documentation. Paysense requires certain documents for verification and loan processing. These typically include identity proof, address proof, and income proof. You can upload these documents directly through the Paysense app. The process is secure, and your documents are kept confidential. Once you've selected your loan amount, chosen the term, and uploaded your documents, all that's left to do is review your application and hit submit. The application will then be reviewed by Paysense, and you'll be notified of your loan approval status. Remember, it's important to provide accurate and complete information during the application process. Any discrepancies can lead to delays or even rejection of your loan application. Don't worry though, if you followed all the steps correctly and provided all the necessary information, there's a high chance your application will be approved. And just like that, you've applied for an instant loan with Paysense. You've applied for your loan, but what happens next? Well, let's unravel this mystery, shall we? Once you've successfully submitted your application, it goes through a verification process. This is where the magic happens. The Paysense system, like a diligent detective, meticulously examines your documents and credit history. It's a critical step to ensure everything is in order and that you meet all the necessary criteria. Now, you must be wondering, how long does this take? Typically, the approval process takes about 24 to 48 hours. Yes, you heard it right. It's that quick. However, do note that the time may vary depending on individual cases and the volume of applications received. Once your loan is approved, it's time to roll out the red carpet because your funds are on their way. The approved loan amount is dispersed directly into your bank account. It's like a friend who directly sends a gift to your home rather than making you step out and pick it up. Convenient, isn't it? So, there you have it. From application to approval and finally, disbursement, the process is streamlined and efficient. It's designed with you in mind, ensuring a hassle-free experience. With Paysense, your loan can be approved and disbursed in no time at all. So, you've seen how easy it is to get a loan with Paysense, but let's recap and talk about why Paysense is a great choice for instant loans. Firstly, remember the simplicity of the process. With Paysense, getting a loan is just a few clicks away. All you need to do is register, check your eligibility, apply for the loan, and voila! You're set to receive your funds. It's a seamless, user-friendly process that takes the stress out of borrowing. Secondly, let's not forget the speed. You don't have to wait in long queues or go through a lengthy application process. Paysense offers instant loans, which means you can get the money you need right when you need it. No more waiting days or weeks for approval. Thirdly, the convenience factor is undeniable. You can apply for a loan from the comfort of your home at any time, from anywhere. No need to visit a bank or financial institution. Paysense is always at your fingertips. Lastly, the minimal documentation required reduces the hassle typically associated with loan applications. No piles of paperwork or extensive background checks. Paysense focuses on making the process as easy as possible for you. So let's sum it up. Paysense offers a user-friendly platform, quick loan approval, the convenience of applying anytime, anywhere, and requires minimal documentation. It's a modern solution for those in need of instant loans. With Paysense, getting a loan is fast, easy, and hassle-free. So why wait? Start your loan journey with Paysense today.